Hi, I'm back, and today we're making banana bread. Put 1 stick of butter into the microwave for 15 seconds. Add 1 stick of butter to a bowl. Add an entire cup of sugar into the same bowl as you put the butter in.
Go.
Mix the sugar and butter together. Add 2 eggs to the batter. Mix the eggs in.
Go.
Get bananas out if they're like old bananas out, and if they're frozen, put them in the microwave for about half a minute, as in 30 seconds. Mash the bananas. Add in the mashed bananas and then blend them in. Add 2 cups of flour. To another bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add add a full cup of chocolate chips. Or walnuts. All together. The other mixture to the second mixture. Mix the other thing in. A 9x5x3 loaf pan. And put the oven to 350. to the pan. The batter in the pan into the oven. For 1 hour. Remove the banana bread from the oven. Take something like this and put it through. There's nothing on there, which means it's ready. Keep the cake in. Cool the banana bread in the pan for 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's the one for Saturday.
Put around the edges of the cake so it'll be easier to dump it onto the rack.
I was wondering if you, yeah, same site, same comment, same.
Dump it out. Dump it out. Let it cool until fully cool.